The Ministry of Refugees and Repatriation announced the construction of 114 shelters for refugees in Saripal province. The ministry said in a statement that the foundation stone of the shelters worth 40 million Afghanis was laid by the ministry's professional deputy in Saripal province. The shelters will be built within the next year with the financial support of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, the ministry said. And finally, we are entering to the weather. The Meteorological Department of the Ministry of Transport and Aviation has warned of heavy rain, lightning and floods in 12 provinces of the country. The department said that the rain is expected in Badakhshan, Takhar, Nuristan, Kunar, Laghman, Kapisa, Panjshir, Baghlan, Parwan, Nangarhar, Paktia and Coast provinces including Salangs on Sunday. Our This Time news is ending in here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night.
ساتوی پسرو وینو دا شهیدانو کور دا باتورانو کور دا باتورانو کور دا باتورانو کور دا باتورانو کور ساتوی پسرو وینو دا شهیدانو کور دا